Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys all how to do the simple command sign plugin. If you haven't already, make sure to download it before you do any of this. So first up, get a sign. This can be literally anywhere. Put anything you want on the, so I'm just going to type that. All right, now type in chat command sign. Create. All right, once you've done that, oh my, that's embarrassing. Okay, once you've done that, right click, shut up. Right click on that sign that you're wanting to use. All right, and then here's all this stuff in the chat. So you can like disable it, name it. So I'm gonna just name it real quick. All right, and then you can put like a timer on it, requirements, costs, all this good stuff. So I'm just going to show you the last one. So number 7. All right, so this is only for if you want to like add a command. So say you wanted to give like TP a person that touches a sign to another spot, or like diamond sword, or give them like a diamond sword or whatever. I don't know. All right, so 2 and then 1 add. All right, so I can add any command that you have in the game that you want to happen or whatever. So stupid. All right, so I'm just going to do /give at P, which means the nearest person or the person that clicked the button. So I'm just going to give them a boat. I don't know. And then I'm going to add another one. So you can actually add as many as you want. It's kind of cool. So I'm going to just do no, I'm not gonna. I'm gonna give that person a button. All right, see right here, you can tell that does all that. All right, and then click 9. Click or type 9 again, and then one more time. All right, once you've done that, you can actually test your sign. Click it, and boom, just like that, it gives you the 2 things that I typed. All right, so now one more thing. So say you wanted that sign, when you click it, to TP you to, say, this spot right here. So you do click / on your keyboard, fill, click tab 3 times, and then see this middle number? So the 3 for me is probably a different number for you, depending on where you are. Change that 1 up so you don't like teleport inside the ground. All right, so erase the fill, enter this in the chat. All right, now go back to your sign. It's this one right here. Do /command sign edit. All right, now it says click on the block that you want to edit, and I'm going to edit this sign. All right, go back to 7, and then 2, and then 1, and then /TP at P, and then that number that I typed in the chat earlier. So -61 4 -50, and then enter. All right, see now it shows all of the commands I've done. Click 9, 9 again, 9 again, and then editation complete. Now, so say you wanted to click on the sign, blah, 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 blah. I don't know. Click on the sign. And boom, just like that. You TP'd here and right on the block that I wanted, and you got all this stuff. Thank you guys all so much for watching. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and like the video for more content just like this. And also, guys, this server that I'm on right now, me and my siblings are all working on it, and it's going to be coming out pretty soon. So stay tuned for that. Yeah, see you guys. Bye.